everyone, welcome back to Kimeds. Today we are discussing about the topic aromatic hydrocarbon. The word aroma derived from Greek meaning fragrant odor. Early organic chemists became extremely fascinated by the fragrance associated with the essential oil that are extracted from certain plants. For example, oil of wintergreen. The compounds responsible for the characteristic aroma of such oils have several similar chemical properties. Therefore, they are collectively called aromatic hydrocarbons. The study of aromatic hydrocarbon began with the discovery of benzene. In 1825, Michael Faraday isolated benzene from the liquid residue left behind after heating whale oil under reduced pressure to produce an illuminant gas. In 1834, Mitscherlich determined its molecular formula as C6H6. As more and more aromatic compounds were isolated and studied, they were structurally related to benzene. The chemists found that the term aromatic was not fully suitable because several such compounds did not have fragrance at all. The term is still being used but with a different meaning to signify compounds having a certain kind of structure. The benzene is represented as where the circle in the middle of the hexagon represent the delocalized pi electrons. The C6H5 group originating from benzene is commonly referred to as phenyl. The C6H5CH2 group is called benzyl group. Next we can come to the topic monosubstituted benzene. When a single hydrogen atom of the benzene ring is replaced by group, we get monosubstituted benzene. Such a compound is named as a derivative of benzene by giving an indication about the substituent as a prefix of the word benzene. For example, if the chlorine atom is a substituent, then it is named as chlorobenzene. If bromine atom is a substituent, then it is named as bromobenzene. Similarly, nitrobenzene, if the substituent is nitro group, ethyl benzene, if the substituent is ethyl group. Some monosubstituted benzene have common names which are accepted by the IUPAC and are used preferentially over other possibilities. For example, toluene, if the substituent is methyl group, phenol, if the substituent is OH group, when the substituent is NH2, the common name is aniline. Benzaldehyde, when the substituent is CHO group. Similarly, benzoic acid, anisole, styrene, benzonitrile, benzene sulfonic acid, benzene diazonium chloride. When the substituent on the benzene ring is a complex group which cannot be easily named, then the C6H5 group, that is the phenyl group, is considered as a substituent and the compound named as in the case of an aliphatic compound. The benzyl group can also be considered in this manner. For example, diphenyl ether, 2-phenyl hexane, dibenzyl ether. Next we can come to the point disubstituted benzene. Substitution of two hydrogen groups in the benzene ring forms a disubstituted benzene. Substitution of two hydrogen atoms of the benzene by similar or dissimilar groups give rise to the possibility of position isomerism. 3 disubstituted isomeric products are possible, which are position isomers. Then either the prefix ortho, meta or para are used to indicate their relative positions. While naming the three, isomers possible. For example, in the case of dichlorobenzene, orthodichlorobenzene, para-dichlorobenzene and meta-dichlorobenzene. If the substituents are different, they are considered in the alphabetical order, and the first in the order is assigned as a number 1 position on the ring. The numbering of the other carbons in the ring is considered in that direction in which the second substituent gets the lowest numbers possible. For example, 1-chloro, 2-nitrobenzene. Similarly, 1-bromo, 2-nitrobenzene. 1-bromo, 3-iodobenzene. 1-chloro, 4-ethyl-benzene. If the name of one of the substituents is already incorporated into the name of the compound, then the incorporated substituent is given in the first position, and a number or the specification ortho, meta or para assigned to the second substituent on the basis of its position related to that of the first on the ring. For example, 4-bromoaniline, 3-nitrophenol, 2-chlorobenzoic acid. There are a few disubstituted benzenes which have the names incorporate both the substituents. For example, paraxylene, metacresol, orthotoluene. The third category, polysubstituted benzenes. When more than 2 groups are attached to the benzene ring, their positions are indicated by numbering the carbon atoms of the ring such that first priority is given to assign the lowest number to the attached positions. Then the substituents are indicated in the alphabetical order. 2-chloro, 4-ethyl, 1-nitrobenzene. Another example is 4-bromo, 1-chloro, 2-iodobenzene. If one of the substituent is already incorporated into the name, that substituent is given in the first position, and the numbering of the carbon atom is then done in such a manner that the lowest possible numbers appear in the name. For example, 2-chloro, 4-nitrotoluene, 4-bromo, 2-chlorophenol. Another example is 2-chloro, 4-nitroaniline.